Important that the Prime Minister and his wife are doing this on live TV today. It's the same thing we saw Biden several months ago do that. We've seen other officials in the U.S. doing this on TV to show Canadians, I have signed up when I'm eligible, I'm getting this, I believe in this vaccine, it is safe. And that's what Health Canada has said all along, that all of the vaccines in Canada are safe and effective for all adults. That's what they have repeatedly said. They've said that any risk associated with any of the vaccines is outweighed by the severe risk of getting COVID, which, as we've seen, is growing in many parts of this country. So today we're seeing the Prime Minister and his wife getting the AstraZeneca vaccine from a pharmacy. We saw Patty Haidu getting it this morning. She's Dr. New and Dr. Tam also have their vaccines. Dr. Tam got the Pfizer. Here in Ottawa, we're seeing Mayor Watson has signed up for his AstraZeneca
let's listen in.
shot,
I'll just
and
hold
so
it there for a moment.
President Mohamed Farmajo was among the first Somalis to get inoculated against the COVID-19 virus. Farmajo got his jab at State House, posing for photographers to show that the vaccines are safe. I expressed faith in the vaccination efforts by endorsing it myself earlier today, as we continue distributing it to ensure the protection of our citizens.
COVID number 0091. I got my vaccine. Yeah.
I'm turning for you now.
For my friends there. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3.